Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2012 Ford 3.5 twin turbo. This car came in with the hard shifting, so customer think he has an issue with the transmission, but it's not. So I'll show you what's the issue. If you have the same thing, if you hear knocking noise, you gotta show you the trick how to fix that. So I am in the need of the car. I did check the differential is good condition, no problem. There's fluid on it. Front differential is good. Only one. Let's check out this one. What happens to the transfer case? Let's open the transfer case. I need just ratchets. Okay. So what I do, I take my finger, set inside. Yep, there is no fluid. This was the noise coming from. So the noise coming from the transfer case. So what we gotta do now, open this one, drain the fluid with whatever is stay inside of it. Then we gotta add new fluid. And how you can see here, this one recommend Macron LV only. So let's open it and see. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to see more tricks. Okay. There we go. So you can see the fluid really bad. So now we gotta flush everything. Add some fluid keep adding fluid from the top. Like that will remove any millet shave that possible be there. And we'll make sure the fluid be clean. Stay with me. So we're gonna use Max Life transmission fluid. Using a hand pump. And we open the transmission fluid. Good. Put it down. So we keep adding fluid until the fluid starts coming from the top. Like that we know the fluid is full. There we go. It's full. Okay, we close the bag. Easy fix. Don't tie it too much. And it's done. So guys, we'll fix the problem. So different transmission case was low on fluid. Now I think the noise is gonna be go away. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.